Big breaking news coming in. Sources telling Times now that the Director General of Civil Aviation has fined Air India around 1 crore rupees for operating an Airbus aircraft 8 times without a valid airworthiness permit, saying that the lapses had further eroded public trust in the airline. This according to a confidential order. Let me go straight across to Shefali, who is joining us on the broadcast. Shefali, any more details you can share with us at this point of time? This is a major embarrassment for Air India.
Yes, right, Shreya. We have been told that DGCA has imposed around 1 crore rupees as a penalty for flying an Airbus aircraft multiple times, to be precise, 8 times without an airworthiness permit. Earlier also in the month of December, we have reported this particular incident and the investigation was going on by the DGCA. Now DGCA has blamed the Air India CEO, Campbell Wilson, for the lapse, who's also the account manager for the airline. Sources and know of the matter has told Times now that DGCA has come very heavily on such violation, and also has stated that this was the casualness of the airline that took compliant with it as a very casual manner, and that DGCA has observed and imposed the highest penalty on the airline. And they have also said that
give me a moment here, because we are getting a statement from Air India as well, and I'll just come to you on that. Air India has put this statement out, ladies and gentlemen, after that 1 crore penalty that has been put on them by the DGCA. They are saying Air India acknowledges the receipt of a DGCA order in relation to an incident that was voluntarily reported back in 2025. All identified gaps have since been satisfactorily addressed and shared with the authority. Air India remains unwavering in its commitment to maintaining the highest standards of operational integrity and safety. So Air India is suggesting in this press note that has been released by them that all these discrepancies were actually reported by them to the DGCA. So they were not hiding anything. Shefali.
Yes, Shreya. Earlier also, when this particular matter was reported, that is in December 2025, Air India said when this was flagged by one of their engineers, they themselves reported the DGCA about the lapse. And now DGCA has imposed this penalty, and they're acknowledging the order that they have received from the DGCA in related to the incident. Again, as they said, that was voluntarily reported back in 2025. And now they're saying that it remains unwavering in its commitment to maintain the highest standards of operational integrity and safety.
1 crore rupee fine, ladies and gentlemen, imposed on Air India after the DGCA cracks down. This is an incident that was reported in 2025. Top sources are telling Times now that there was an aircraft that operated 8 times without permit. It didn't have airworthiness. And the CEO has been blamed for these lapses, as Shefali is now reporting. On that note, a quick break. There's more news on the other side. Do stay with us.